Today is... Tell the date, Ate Kakay.
15? 15? January
January
15, 2007.
Yay! Daniela is going to take her Crucible drops. Wala pa nga eh. Closer the camera naman. Wala pa nga eh. Closer the light.
Wow.
It's mango flavored Crucible drops. Asim.
Green mango.
Yummy, yummy. Green mango flavored. Asim? What's happening, Daniela? What's happening? What's the taste? Yummy?
Wow.
Finish.
I think she likes it.
You like it?
Wow. Wow.
Napapapikit. Napapapikit. How about the other one? How about this one? Your Celine.
Favorite.
This one tastes better. Yeah. Look at the camera. Yan! Yummy! Wow! Yummy! Finish it.
Wow.
Okay.
She wants
Finish
more.
na? No more na. No more na. That's enough. You want some more Crucible? Say bye-bye now. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Ate Kakay. Bye-bye, Ate Kati.
Bye-bye, Daniela, baby.